So this is the timber. So we're gonna color this, okay?
What?
Are we not coloring them?
Oh, we can do.
I thought we're gonna color them.
Yeah, but I'm saying it's quite... Anyway, isn't it? It's tunnelized.
So what is this for, Han?
That's the frame for the back. These will be fastened to that.
And this one?
This is what you'll see.
I just don't like the feel of it. It's not soft.
What do you mean soft? It's rough sawn. All panels are rough sawn. When you buy panels, they're all rough sawn. They're not smooth.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is, it's not light wood, is it? It's dark. Now, you know.
I think we need to...
See, this is the wrong. This is the colour.
I think we need to what do you call
That's
this?
the dark. That's the colour of that. You
So
know.
what is that then?
It's the wrong one, but that's the colour.
That's the color of the this one. Yung kuko ni Mr. Oh, kuko ng
Not
masipag.
them panels. That's the colour.
Yeah, so we're gonna color this, not just as it is.
I'm going to put it in as it is for the 17.
At the moment, yeah.
Yeah.
While we're waiting for the right stuff.
Some right stuff, yeah.
Yeah, so that's our panel. So when are you starting to work with that?
This? Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Me and Steve are doing it tomorrow.
Oh, I see, I see.
Tomorrow.
I'm going to make you a sandwich, Han. Or
Right.
can you manage to do it your own?
No.
So yeah, they're gonna work here tomorrow. Wala nang ganap mga palangga, so itutuloy natin tong vlog natin tomorrow, ha? Mr. is just going to lock up the property. Iko-close yung gate and all that. I've been out mga palangga, and alam niyo, si Mr. he was busy putting all the panels sa swimming pool, and it looks good actually. I thought it will be a bit, you know, I was 50-50 of the idea, but then now that it is already in, I like it. I'll show you. So ito siya, what do you think? Hindi pa siya tapos, so that's the front. Yan talaga yung makikita nyo sa front. And yan. So first talaga, ang color namin na gustong piliin is green, pero parang mali ata kasi yung ano namin, di ba? Medyo may pagka dark brown siya. So parang
Just professional.
yeah, parang hindi siya magmamatch sa bahay. So yeah, it looks okay naman. So ito yung ginawa nila ni Steve at ni Jan. So Ate Jani's husband helped Jan to make this. And si Jan lang yung nagpaint dito. Ano lang, in-spray lang. Did you spray this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yung iba kasi naulanan, kaya parang may mga ano siya, oh, kasi hindi siya natuyo ng mabuti nung naulanan siya, kaya yung iba na-wash out yung na-wash out yung kulay. Never mind. We're just gonna top up them. I'm just gonna visit my ano my pak choy kasi it's been a while din. So kanina nung kumakain kami, nag-order kami ng pak choy with ginger. And hindi ko alam kung magkano yun. Sinabi ko sa kanila, sus, kung tayo nagluto nito, ano lang, mas makakamura tayo. Kasi meron akong pak choy sa bahay. Nagtawanan sila yan. Hindi na masyadong fresh kasi di past their best na. Pero, of course, pwede pa yan. Hala, yung talong natin. Meron na tayong ano, bulaklak. Yan yung talong natin na mahahaba. Hindi yung talong nila dito na short and matataba. Okay. It's been a while na talaga na hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi I'm so busy mga loves. And meron akong face-to-face training. Ayay, bakit pumunta ako dito na boots ako. Ito pa naman yung sinuot ko. And merong tubig dito na malalim. Mababasa yung paa ko. Anyway, we manage.
Yeah.
Do you need hand? What do you want for your tea, Han?
Something exciting.
Do you want fish and chips? Yeah, I'll get you a fish and chips. Huh? It's payday. Payday, sabi niya. I'll treat you. I'll get you a fish and chips. Are they open now? 4:30 they open? Yeah, I'll get you a fish and chips. And then after fish and chips, we're gonna go to Tesco and do our grocery shopping kasi meron akong trabaho tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday. Meron din kaming lakad. Kaya, yeah, we have to do it now. So, nung umalis kami, pumunta kami sa Boots after namin kumain. And, nag-spray ako ng perfume. Naghahanap kasi ako ng perfume na pang everyday ba? Mabango talaga yung Jimmy Choo mga palangga na pabago. Pero, mahal siya. And, for everyday use, parang feeling ko, hindi naman siguro siya worth it. I don't know. Hindi lang kasi ako mahilig talaga sa pabango. Gusto ko lang na, I smells nice ba? Pag nasa trabaho ako. Kasi bihira lang din naman ako magpabango dito sa loob ng bahay. Kasi, si Mr. Nono niya yung pabango kasi meron siyang allergic. Kaya gusto ko yung pabango na hindi siya long lasting. Kasi at the moment, yung pabango ko, Elizabeth Arden siya. Pero bigay lang din yun. And hinahanap ko yun. And wala silang the same, merong same brand pero different, series? Ano bang tawag? Series talaga. Yung, ganito. Ito. Yan. Yung NYNC na Vibe. Yung, meron lang sila is yung Red Door, 5th Avenue, and, ano ba yung isa? Hindi ko na malala. Pero, bit ko yung 5th Avenue. Anyway, I had a good day. Going out with the people I know. Really enjoy my day. Thank you so much. If you're watching, you know who you are. Hindi ko na i-mention yung name. So, din ako, nagpa-petrol, nagpa-diesel din ako sa aking sasakyan. And yung nabayadan ko for, 38 liters. Siya, 53 pounds, 0.37. Meron kaming bisita mga palangga, but it's my first time na makita siya na pumunta dito sa bahay. It's not my first time to see him kasi nakita ko siya sa Tesco pero hi, hello lang. So, 2 weeks ago, he asked Mr. if he can leave his car dito sa bahay. And sabi ni Mr. yeah. So, ayun. Uliktan na niya yung sasakyan niya ulit. So, pupunta lang tayo sa fish and chip shops para bilhan si Mr. ng fish and chips. Sana ba yung card ko? I'm pretty sure mga loves, mayroong problema yung sasakyan ko. Kasi tingnan nyo, negative 11. Kanina, negative 19 yan. Iwan ko sa kanya. Anyway, nandito na ako sa village shop. Yung village shop at yung fish and chips, malapit lang. Magkatabi lang sila. Nasa bahay na tayo and medyo okay na okay na yung temperature. Nandito na yung goodies natin and si Mr. He's waiting. Let's go. Huh? Here you go. That's my treat for you. I did not buy anything, hon, for myself. Huh?
I thought you might have done.
No, I'm full. I'm too full.
Okay, thank you, darling.
You're welcome. I've ordered a large large fish. Enjoy. Huh?
That's a large piece.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure. She asked me if I want a large piece.
I only have a small.
Ah, okay. Oh, well.
Okay, you can
I'll have plum instead. I am happy, Han. Kasi ang pinili ko talaga, green. Sabi ni Mr. parang hindi siya magmamatch talaga kasi yung bahay. Ganito yung color, oh.
Yeah, contrast nice.
Right, let's go! Mag-grocery lang kami. And binigyan pala kami ni Kuya, oh. Ng Touchers. Cider, no? That's a cider, sweetheart, isn't it? Ayay. Papasalamat niya ba? Two. Papasalamat niya.
I kicked the bucket.
Yeah. For allowing him to leave his car in our place.
I kicked the bucket.
Right, let's go now.
We're all shut like that.
All shut. Did you close the window?
Which window?
Upstairs? The toilet window.
I don't think it's open.
Are you sure it's not been open?
No.
Huh?
No, it's not open.
It's not open. Right, let's go. Let's go. It's really freezing. So si Kuya Guy, yung magpapader. Ah, well. So, when is he coming back, Han? Tomorrow? Huh? He will text you later to let us know. So, baka papunta si Kuya Guy tomorrow para gawin niyang bahay. Magko-construct ng bahay. Tingnan nyo yung Tesco. May pa-Halloween na sila, oh. Halloween decoration. Anya, meron na din silang pumpkin. Ayay. Ayun, oh. Para na din sila dito. Mga costume pang bata. This is cute, look. Right, let's go. Ay, napapa-music sila mga loves. This is looking good. That looks good. Kuha din tayo ng plum. Ito yung dinadala ko sa trabaho. That looks alright. Natigil ako sa pag-vlog mga loves kasi baka makopyright tayo ha. Bye-bye muna. So ito yung nabili natin. 2 bag lang yung nagamit natin kasi hindi naman masyadong marami yung pinamili natin. So, I'm just gonna put this away and tingnan nyo sa labas. It's getting darker na talaga. Pa lang. 7 o'clock. Ito na, makulimlim na. So, mafe-feel mo talaga ba na paparating na yung winter?